Move-in day, Warwick Hall. Here's what you get. Have a desk, your bed, your storage, alright, so here's what the wardrobe looks like inside. Get a nice shelving compartment on the top and a bar to hang clothes. You also get to pull out drawers right here. Alright, so here's the desk. The desk has two shelves on top, great for putting a TV or any of the other stuff that you want to bring to campus. You also have, of course, your chair, but four drawers, they all come out, and this one is the largest down here. Alright, so we are now in Warwick River Hall. Here is the common room, a TV table, couch, two chairs and an ottoman, and a coffee table, and then here is the bathroom. You get two sinks with outlets on each side, a shower, and a bathroom or toilet. Alright, there's one side moved in over here. The other has not come in yet.